Good morning, I am Akshada Kadam. I am going to conduct the integration lesson on fractions math subject. Good morning class.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is the date today?
27th November.
And the day?
Thursday.
We are going to study maths. Students, if I am having 10 chocolates and I have to give the chocolates among 2 students, okay? So, what will I do? Let's think. Yes?
We will equally distribute the chocolate.
Yes, we will equally distribute the chocolate among the both students. Now, if I gave 6 chocolates to one student, student A, and 4 chocolates to student B, then what will happen? The student B will feel sad that he got less number of chocolates. So, it is very important while distributing the chocolates, I shall give the students the equal number of chocolates. Okay. Now let's start with the story. Consider this as a cake, a whole cake. So one fine day, there were 2 siblings. The name of siblings were Rita and Ram. Their mother brought a cake from the market for them. So now the mother decided to give them the whole cake. What am I calling this as? A whole. This is a whole portion of the cake. So now the mother gave the cake to the siblings Rita and Ram. But this was one whole cake. So the mother distributed this cake equally among them. So we will just draw a line on this cake. Can you see? I have equally distributed this, and now the cake, the whole cake is divided into how many equal parts?
2 equal
Two
parts.
equal parts. Okay. So here we are going to start with our topic, that is fractions. Children, here you can see that Ram and Rita got the one piece of cake. This one part is known as a half. Have you heard about this word earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now they were about to eat this cake, and what did happen? Their 2 friends came to meet them. So now they also wanted to eat the cake. Now their mother decided to make 4 equal parts of this cake. Children, how many equal parts can you see over here?
4.
See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now, Rita got how many parts? Only 1.
1 part.
And how many total parts were there in this?
4.
4. So, we write the fraction in this form. The number of parts, the total parts made, it is written at the bottom, and the number of the parts selected, that is given to the girl that is only one part that we write in the numerator place. This is called as the numerator and this is called as the denominator. Okay. Ram. Your Ram also got 1/4 part. Okay. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
See children, whenever there are two equal parts of one whole, so that fraction is called as the half. What it is called as?
Half.
Half. Okay, that is represented as, tell me the total number of parts made?
2.
Okay, and how many parts are selected?
1.
Only one part is shaded, that is selected. That we will write here. And see, this one which is above the line, it is called as the numerator. And the number which is below, it is known as the denominator. And this fraction 1/2 is called as a half. Okay. Now next, there are total number, that is total 4 parts are made over here. That is known as 3/4. So help me to find the fraction for this. How many total parts are there?
4.
4. Correct. And how many parts we have selected? 1, 2 and 3. So that we always write above the line, that is in the numerator's place. Okay, so this becomes the fraction for 3/4. Okay. Now the next is this. How many parts are there? Again?
4.
And how many parts are selected? Only 1. So it becomes 1/4. Total number of parts, that is 4, and only one part is selected, that is 1. So this 1/4 is called as 1/4. Here how many quarters are there? 1, 2, 3. So it is called as 3/4. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will take one quick activity. You will guess the denominator and numerator of the fractions which are right on the board. So we will write N for numerator and D for denominator. Okay. Ashwini, please tell me what is 3 over here?
Numerator.
Very good. It is called as the numerator. Why? Because it is above the line and the number which is below the line, that is 5 over here. So what it is called?
Denominator.
Very good. It is called as the denominator. In the next fraction, Aboli, please tell me.
6 is the numerator.
Yes. And what is 2 over here?
Denominator.
Very good. What is 7?
Numerator.
Yes. And 5?
Denominator.
Excellent. So is this concept clear? What is the numerator and the denominator? Now children, we are going to move further. That is, we'll see the types of fractions. There are many types of fractions, but today we are going to learn only 3 types of fractions. Okay. this down in your books. The three types which we are going to see today are proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. These are the three types that we are going to learn. So we'll start with the first, proper fractions. See, improper fraction in this type of fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Okay, numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, so Aboli, can you just give example for this? Numerator is smaller and the denominator is greater. So tell me one fraction.
7 upon 8.
7 upon 8. Yes, correct. So understood, in proper fractions, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. So next, that is improper fraction. Here, it is vice versa of proper fractions. The denominator is smaller than the numerator. Okay, so give me one example for this. Make the numerator bigger over here and the denominator smaller.
8 upon 7.
Correct. 8 upon 7. Very good. Okay. Have you understood this too?
Yes,
Types of fractions. Proper fraction is where the numerator is greater than the denominator. And improper is where the denominator is greater than the numerator. Okay. So now children, if I have one apple, okay, consider this as one apple, fine. So, my mother gave me one more apple, okay. So now in total I have two apples, but I am not in a mood to eat both the apples right now. I ate one full apple and the other apple I ate was just half. So, how much apple did I eat? Who will answer this? One whole and a half. Okay. One whole and a half. So, I will write it as one whole, and how to write half?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. So, this is the amount, this is the quantity of apple that I have eaten. 1 and half. So, children, this is known as mixed fraction. What it is known as? Mixed fraction, where this number is one whole and the other number is a fraction. So, here we learn that mixed fraction is the combination of one whole and one fraction. Can you just give me one example for this? One more example. Yes, Aboli.
2 and 1 upon 4.
Yes, correct. 2 and 1 quarter. Okay. So, let's recapitulate what we have learned today. We have learned the this 1/2, 3/4 and 1/4. Then we have learned the types of fractions, proper, improper and mixed fractions. In proper fractions, the denominator is greater than the numerator. In improper, it is vice versa. In mixed fraction, it is the combination of whole fraction and whole and a fraction. Okay. Thank you. So your homework is that you're going to write 5 examples for each of the types of fractions. Means 5 examples for proper fractions, for improper and for mixed.